G'day guys, just a quick video to help you with determining the formula of some ionic compounds. Okay, so there's two methods we can use to determine the formula of an ionic compound. First one we're going to look at is the swap and drop. So for example, if I'm asked what is the formula of the ionic compound formed between magnesium and chloride ions, okay, I've got to think about this. I've got to think magnesium is in group 2 of the periodic table, so it's going to have a 2 plus charge, and my chloride ion, well, chlorine's in group 17, so that's going to have a 1 minus charge, or a single minus charge. Now, swap and drop method, super easy. Just got to write the ions with their charges. Underneath, we're going to write the two atoms, magnesium, chlorine, okay? And to figure the form of the ionic compound, we just got to do a swap and drop. We're going to swap and drop the charges. So on the magnesium, there's a 2 plus charge. That 2 is going to come down here. And on the chlorine, there's a 1 minus charge is going to come down here. Nice and easy. A lot of students like this method because it's pretty simple to use. And that is just going to give me a ionic compound of magnesium chloride. Okay, so we'll look at a couple more examples. So if we have, what is the formula of the ionic compound formed between magnesium and oxygen? Well, we've already spoken about magnesium. It's in group 2. It's going to have a 2 plus charge. Oxygen or oxide ions, oxygen's in group 16. It's going to have a 2 minus charge. Okay, we're going to use our swap and drop method again. So I'm going to write the two elements underneath there, and I'm going to swap and drop these charges. Now you'll notice they're both 2, okay? And actually what we can do is, rather than writing Mg2O2, we're not going to write that. We're going to write it more simply as just magnesium oxide. And that gives us like our empirical formula for the ionic compound. It gives us in its simplest form. Okay, let's look at one more example. So if we're thinking about iron oxide or rust, that is a formula with iron 3 ions and oxygen, so oxide ions, oxygen 2 minus. Again, we're going to do our swap and drop method. We write the two elements underneath, we swap and drop those numbers on the charges, and it's going to give us our formula for iron 3 oxide, which is Fe2O3. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned for more chemistry videos with Mr. B.